What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to go over the top 3 stocks we are looking at for this week. We are also going to go over the top 3 picks that we had from last week and see how they did. But if you guys are excited for this video, please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you're doing your own research when it comes down to these companies. These are just swing trades, so I'm pretty much just going based off of technicals, not about the fundamentals of the company. Also, if you guys want to join the family, hit that subscribe button down below. On this channel, we post here at least 2 times per week, and it's investing videos such as this one. We go over swing trades, stock analysis, day trading, everything that has to do with investing. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. But enough talk. Let's get into it. So the first one we talked about last week was Deere. Ticker symbol is DE. I pointed this one out at $343 or so, and now it's sitting currently at $332 or so, down about 3%. Now this was the only loss on the week, and I did say that it does have the potential to come on down, but I'm going to reiterate this one for this upcoming week. I think it's sitting on a great support level, but we'll get back more into that later. The second stock we were looking at for last week was Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND. So I brought this one up. It's sitting at just below $101 or so, and it was up about 5% on the week to $105.70. So that was a nice gainer for us on the week there. And that's really all I have to say about that one. So now let's hop right into the next one, which was Alibaba. The last stock we pointed out for last week was Alibaba. Ticker symbol is BABA. We pointed this one out at $162.70. It is now currently sitting at $167.70. So a nice $5 gain there. And that was our third stock for the week. So we were 2 out of 3 for the week. Now let's hop into which stocks I think are going to be good for this week and why. Alright guys, so the first stock on our pick for this week is one of the other ones that was on pick for last week, but I am reiterating that one. It is ticker symbol DE. This is Deere. As you can tell, this one is sitting at a nice line of support right now, and every time it hit this line of support, it has bounced back to its resistance point, which is about at $400 or so. So it's formed a very nice base of support right here. And I am reiterating this one as a buy. Anything, as long as the stock stays over about $322 or so, I will put a stop loss at $322. If it does go below that, then I will cut my losses at that point. But we are seeing a lot of upside all the way up till $400 potentially. So we're seeing about $70 gain or so at this point to a $10 loss. So it's a 7-to-1 ratio or so. And it just has really good potential to rise all the way back up to that resistance point. Alright guys, the next one on our list is DraftKings. Ticker symbol is DKNG. It's currently sitting at $48.15. As you can see, we are sitting on a nice line of support right here. This has been a decent line of support. And I do think this one has taken pretty much a beating in the past month or so. It's been down a decent amount, so we do have potential to see it go back up to the past previous resistance of $64. That will be my first price target on it. And then we also have a resistance point if it does break that at about a little under $75. But I do think we can see this one all the way back up to $65, which it would be about $17 gain or so. And I'm just going to draw this out quickly here. Just well, that's not right. Just a rough drawing here. We're going to draw this out. Let's delete that. Start there. Boom. A little bit of a trend line there. This is very sloppy, I know. But just to take a look at that. So I am looking at this one about $48 or so, what it's sitting at right now. I will have a stop loss sitting at about $43. If it does go below that marker, then I will be taking my losses and cutting my losses there. But I do see potential for this one to go all the way up to $65 or so. Alright guys, so the next one I am looking at is ticker symbol SSY. Now this one is currently trading at about $2.58 at the time I am making this video. And it's looking like it's forming a nice base of support here. We also look like we do have some accumulation going on right about here. So that's looking pretty good. Now this one is going to be one of my riskier ones. Although I do think this one, it has a very low float. I think if this one does run, we can run all the way up until about the $4 mark. That will be our first resistance point. And if it passes that, we have potential to go even higher than that. But this is definitely going to be my more risky one. I'm going to set a stop loss at about $2.20. If it goes below there, I will be taking some profits. I'm only going to be opening up a small position here for this one, but I do think we can see potential later in the week or even into next week with this one. Alright, so I hope you guys did all enjoy that video. If you guys can, just please make sure you smash that like button for all the work that goes into making these videos. I really do appreciate it. Also, share this with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure they subscribe to the channel. We are growing here every single day, and we are going to grow and make money together. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I really do appreciate that. Let me know what you guys think about these stocks down in the comment section below. Also check the links in the description for any free stuff. You get some free money down there, free Bitcoin, free stock, stuff like that. It does also support the channel. I really appreciate you all. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!